And that's the cool thing with the LiveScope is I could pull up to a point and scope around, and if nobody's there, I'm not gonna waste my time. In the school about 7 of them. She wanted to play.
Jason Hickey is also taking full advantage of Garmin LiveScope, finding a school of bass to reel in 3 keepers on Tourney X.
A dozen every hour of these, and every once in a while, it'll be a 4-pounder. That one's a little better than the last one. Skinny guy. Now stay pinned. Stay pinned. Ooh, yeah, he'll make it. Out here chasing bait, yet he's got a throat full of crawdads. Didn't swim away though.